In primetime news this evening, government bows to pressure, cutting the $400 million budget for COVID vaccine public education program. COVID death toll climbs to 391. And overwhelmed, the plight of staff at the Bellevue Hospital as COVID infections at the facility climb.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the business day, sports commentary, E-Prime and weather. But before the break, the feedback question. This evening, we're asking, what are your thoughts on the government's plan to spend $60 billion for social and economic recovery? You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam. Please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.